Death Star 1 to private. You read me, private? Yo, this is DJ PXO. So out there, son. Going in hard.
Go hard with it or forget it. Life ain't gon' give you nothing, you gotta go and get it. Money, women, and cars, you gotta go and get it. You wanna be a star, you gotta go and get it. Go hard with it or forget it. Life ain't gonna give you nothing, you gotta go and get it. You want $1 million, you gotta go and get it. You gotta try your luck, don't be scared to get it. Stay focused, we get you noticed. Top-notch vocalist if you didn't notice. I told Atlas fall back, I can hold this. I got Brooklyn on my back, I can hold this. My brother died last year, he was the oldest. I'm the young star, the rising one. Some thought I wouldn't be nothing, I'm surprising them. Go hard with it, yeah. Get your mind right first, then fatten your purse. Life is short on earth, you can end up in a hearse. Have a heart attack like ODB and die doing the verse. Go hard with it or forget it. Rest in peace to the God, they son. All our loved ones we lost, I gotta get it for them. Stay high like MJ, way above the rim. Phoenix Orion, you don't want none of him. Go hard with it or forget it. Yup, last days gotta stack them bucks. Even after George Bush is gon' be effed up. I'm from Marcy, so life always been tough. RBG. Go hard with it or forget it. Life ain't gon' give you nothing, you gotta go and get it. Money, women, and cars, you gotta go and get it. You wanna be a star, you gotta go and get it. Go hard with it or forget it. Life ain't gonna give you nothing, you gotta go and get it. You want $1 million, you gotta go and get it. You gotta try your luck, don't be scared to get it. Stay focused, we get you noticed. Strangle the rap game with the fist of the White Lotus. Bringing man to snake, the animal forms. USA, Shaolin Temple, homie, you been warned. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, Capoeira, Batuki. Honestly, it's nothing you rap cats can do me. Whatever, we can do our thing. Get extreme, have rap fight battles in the ring. Go hard with it or forget it. Fight, if not, homie, don't be touching the mic. Fall back, spectate, don't say nothing tonight. I got perp in my pocket, don't give me a light. It's time to get Bob Marley. Smoke cheese so we look Japanese, make noise like a Harley. Somebody said this was a party, not hardly. Go hard with it or forget it, serve. I caught a 10th murder charge for words. Son thought that he was bout it. Thought it couldn't happen to him, told him I doubt it. Go hard with it or forget it. Yup, talk smack, you can get jacked up. Y'all rappers don't know when to set your trap up. Till you get caught slipping and you get wrapped up. RBG. Go hard with it or forget it. Life ain't gon' give you nothing, you gotta go and get it. Money, women, and cars, you gotta go and get it. You wanna be a star, you gotta go and get it. Go hard with it or forget it. Life ain't gonna give you nothing, you gotta go and get it. You want $1 million, you gotta go and get it. You gotta try your luck, don't be scared to get it. Go hard with it or forget it. Life ain't gon' give you nothing, you gotta go and get it. Money, women, and cars, you gotta go and get it. You wanna be a star, you gotta go and get it. Go hard with it or forget it. Life ain't gonna give you nothing, you gotta go and get it. You want $1 million, you gotta go and get it. You gotta try your luck, don't be scared to get it.
Death Star 1 to private. You read me, private? Yo, this is DJ PXO. So out there, son. Going in hard.
Jizzm high definition, Tony the Skitzo, Zulu PXO, Orko collabo. Oh, Brian, hey, let's link up. Hey, time to link up. Get your bars up, represent. Let's get this paper together, that makes a lot of sense. Economy fucked up, we gotta pay the rent. This world is so damn tough, we steady getting bent. Link up. Get your bars up, represent. Let's get this paper together, that makes a lot of sense. Economy fucked up, we gotta pay the rent. This world is so damn tough, we steady getting bent.
All of my soldiers with hammers, all warriors with bandanas. All of my dogs in the slammer, we bucking Babylon. Unificating the nations, I bet you grabbing on. My word is my mind and it's the new tetragrammaton. We blazing, and I thank y'all for patiently waiting. Now please prepare for the decontamination. Black, brown, Caucasian, Pacific, Island, and Asian. We taking these soldiers, reparations, and we ain't negotiating. The energy's fluctuating, hitting station like a big truck. Ballers putting chips up, see it's all clicked up. So tell me what's the mix up? Too many suckers with the fugazi pimp cup, trying to get they dick sucked. You get ripped up by the slashes, I'm about to clip up a fascist, ashes to ashes, ratchet cash play. Real soldiers rebel up, fuck what masters say. We about to link up, sync up, and blast away.
Time to link up, get your bars up, represent. Let's get this paper together, that makes a lot of sense. Economy fucked up, we gotta pay the rent. This world is so damn tough, we steady getting bent. Link up, get your bars up, represent. Let's get this paper together, that makes a lot of sense. Economy fucked up, we gotta pay the rent. This world is so damn tough, we steady getting bent.
Not really, no, you're not building, no. You got silly goals, I don't feel you, bro. Stop, say no go. Stop, they don't know. Stop, slay your dough. Don't stop, flow. Enemies mad at me, let it be dead it before we said it before we're ready to destroy with a vengeance we war. Predator, metaphor, metamorph into more. I'm the head editor, bellroom dead at your door. The mind wants behind thoughts. It grinds shots and design plots. Every mind of forgotten, twisted in time's knots with time sands and rewind mode. Spitting with your enzymes, lost road. Blind with your sign dots, lines clock. Outlining chalk with blood rock. Cop when the gun cock, trying to run out the clock. Run up with your sock, stunting with small cock. Start fronting your all top.
Time to link up, get your bars up, represent. Let's get this paper together, that makes a lot of sense. Economy fucked up, we gotta pay the rent. This world is so damn tough, we steady getting bent. Link up, get your bars up, represent. Let's get this paper together, that makes a lot of sense. Economy fucked up, we gotta pay the rent. This world is so damn tough, we steady getting bent.
You consume every fucking drug and your brain cells die. You read the contract bullshit, but you believe every lie. Imagine every word that I ever spit in the mic. In and out the spotlight, artists live and die in this music called life. Only 15 minutes of flight to your crash land. The average MC's lifespan is shorter than the length of a mic stand. Selling analog masters to a digital god, perceived by reptile cyborg that live in the future. I am a semiotic matic and a metaphor and kill the computer under the false guidance of inanimate rulers. Motherfuckers, my bloodline is audio nappy. Live in their breath from the dark side of the moon to kill everybody. The physical slave to gravity. I'm a black hole collapsing your whack flow across the galaxy. I'm Orko low-key, waiting on the fucking triple beam. Man against machine, this ain't no motherfucking dream, bitch.
So this one for the people, them inside the church, deeper them acting like a Christian and still come out evil men. Not for them in the government, wicked homo sapien. Same men who run Native American and African. Phoenix will fire again, no one is harder than him. I know that God is in him, and look him drop in the gym. There is no stopping him, homie, I'm off the hook tonight. Checking for the ladies in the party looking right. So this one for the children, sister and my brethren, hustling and struggling. I know it's hard to pay the rent, still you know we're getting bent with smoking up the herb. Tony, Jizzm and Orko, Phoenix Orion, puff and purr. So this one for the mass of them, the crew and all the positive. B-boy, bad boy, dreadlock, the rest of them. Cousin and your next to kin, family reunion. Last days come together, lick up with your brethren. Link up, get your bars up, represent. Let's get this paper together, that makes a lot of sense. Economy fucked up, we gotta pay the rent. This world is so damn tough, we steady getting bent. Link up, get your bars up, represent. Let's get this paper together, that makes a lot of sense. Economy fucked up, we gotta pay the rent. This world is so damn tough, we steady getting bent.
Hey, play it, it's okay. Forget about the bullshit and walk away. Don't get caught up in the games that people play. You don't wanna live your life that way. Hey, dog, it's okay. Forget about the bullshit, the day's a day. Don't pay no attention to what them haters say. Shit, y'all don't even know me that way. Hey, girl, it's okay. Forget about the bullshit and walk away. Don't be tripping on the shit your baby daddy say. You don't wanna live your life that way. Hey, shorty, it's okay. Forget about the bullshit and walk away. Don't get caught up in the club cause you're stripping for pay. Cause they don't even know you that way. I know you're sick and tired of being sick and tired. You feel like ain't nobody on your side. I know life ain't going right, but shorty don't cry. Hush baby girl and just dry your eyes. Your man ain't a baker but he making the pies. Your co-worker is a bitch and she telling them lies. You only middle-aged and you ready to retire. You just can't make it and you don't know why. You say you wanna quit your job cause your boss is a slob, but you rather work than steal and rob. Your landlord stressing you about to rent. After your car note only got 1 cent. Your best friend gossiping, he said, she said about your boyfriend sleeping in her bed. She supposed to be your girl, but she messing with your head. You know you wanna kill the bitch, but you chill instead. You borrowed some money and you gotta pay it off. You came to work late, but you got laid off. You got into an accident, no one's liable, cause the other car driver told a lie on you. Damn, you don't go to church for the preacher's recital. You don't know God and you never read the Bible. Now you are depressed and you're suicidal. It's a jungle out there, it's all about survival. Hey, play it, it's okay. Forget about the bullshit and walk away. Don't get caught up in the games that people play. You don't wanna live your life that way. Hey, dog, it's okay. Forget about the bullshit, the days a day. Don't pay no attention to what them haters say. Shit, y'all don't even know me that way. Hey, girl, it's okay. Forget about the bullshit and walk away. Don't be tripping on the shit your baby daddy say. You don't wanna live your life that way. Hey, shorty, it's okay. Forget about the bullshit and walk away. Don't get caught up in the club cause you're stripping for pay. Cause they don't even know you that way. You wanna get up out the hood and pursue your dreams. You wanna make cheddar and you wanna make cream, but you ain't really got nothing to start. You dropped out of high school, you ain't that smart. Look around the hood, ain't nobody else ballin'. You're not good at sports, so you won't be ballin'. You feel like you're lost, you don't know your calling. Gotta do something real quick, homie, stop stalling. Mama is a crackhead, pops alcoholic. I got bones in my closet too, I can't call it. Your sister got 5 baby daddies, oh well. All illegitimate and in and out of jail. You know a few dealers and they making them ones. They say, what's up, son? You should get you some. They hook you with a package and they give you a gun. Now you in the kitchen and you making a bun. Boss hogging in the game and you moving mad bricks. Everybody in the project know that you the shit. The police know too, you know how they do. They gon' wait a little minute, build a case on you. Dog, I ain't got time to be doing no time. I'm the nigga from the hood that just wanted to rhyme. We used to hang out before you got too thugged out. Remember junior high school, we used to bug out. Hey, play it, it's okay. Forget about the bullshit and walk away. Don't get caught up in the games that people play. You don't wanna live your life that way. Hey, dog, it's okay. Forget about the bullshit, the days a day. Don't pay no attention to what them haters say. Shit, y'all don't even know me that way. Hey, girl, it's okay. Forget about the bullshit and walk away. Don't be tripping on the shit your baby daddy say. You don't wanna live your life that way. Hey, shorty, it's okay. Forget about the bullshit and walk away. Don't get caught up in the club cause you're stripping for pay. Cause they don't even know you that way. I can understand anybody trying to make a living, especially poor folks or public assistance. The project is like a concentration camp, except you get to leave and you get food stamps. The government don't really give a damn about your ass. You nothing but a nigga wet back in white trash. We ain't from the middle, we lower class. Greedy politicians won't lower the gas. If you live in the city in the summer it's scorching, air conditioned bill gonna cost you a fortune. If you live in the house in the winter it's freezing, heat bill so high that you can't believe it. If you're living in the streets like a homeless vet, waiting for the government to give you a check. Lost one arm in Vietnam, you've been waiting this long and ain't seen one yet. What about them homeless ladies with the babies? Cardboard house and the dog with the rabies. Concrete jungle, these streets are shady. We starving to eat, man, ain't nothing gravy. Land of the free and the home of the brave. Took the land from the Indians and made us slaves. You acting like everything is A-okay. You better hope and pray I just walk away. Hey, play it, it's okay. Forget about the bullshit and walk away. Don't get caught up in the games that people play. You don't wanna live your life that way. Hey, dog, it's okay. Forget about the bullshit, the days a day. Don't pay no attention to what them haters say. Shit, y'all don't even know me that way. Hey, girl, it's okay. Forget about the bullshit and walk away. Don't be tripping on the shit your baby daddy say. You don't wanna live your life that way. Hey, shorty, it's okay. Forget about the bullshit and walk away. Don't get caught up in the club cause you strip for pay. Cause they don't even know you that way.
Yeah. Strictly spit hot shit with the apocalypse. Class of the Titans, flowing for sight. Spark the ism with Jizzm. Blaze fire like the fiery Phoenix.
Hey yo, I don't mean to drop down, but you rapping sound shitty. Y'all dudes need to get a ghostwriter like Diddy. Homie can't read or write, damn that's a pity. He dropped out of high school, blame it on the city. Really, you homo thug rapping sound silly. But your baby sister got my name tatted on her titty. Spit venom like Peter Parker, native New Yorker. Anakin Skywalker, Darth Vader the author. Lord of the Sith, the mic in my fist. The curse and the gift, it gets no better than this. PXO, future flow, it's not home. It's that other rapper from Marzi Projects, out of control, brighter than the solar, microphone controller. I gotta pop my collar and brush off my shoulder. Mine on my money and my money on my mind. I don't need a million lines, let the 16 shine.
And as you start to get older, time gets precious. I'm your tour guide through the minds of the restless, searching for the treasure but ain't finding the exits, trying to escape but no signs of the exits. I miss the sick shit, miss the misfits, underground kids that we used to spit with. Back in the days when the ciphers were live, these days there's no vibe and the ciphers are dry. So how the hell am I supposed to go with the flow? When dope artists are performing, why does nobody go? Hip hop has done changed and it's lost its soul since it took the mainstream from rock and roll. So I guess that leaves us to preserve the truth. Lock down on MCs that don't deserve the booth. And if the music that they making ain't made to last, take their bullshit CDs and throw their tape in the trash.
If I had to explain all the things on my mind, I would have to write 1,000,000 lines. So I took time to make these 16 shine, to make sure that you feel my rhyme. If I had to explain all the things on my mind, I would have to write 1,000,000 lines. So I took time to make these 16 shine, to make sure that you feel my rhyme.
I'm still killing the ground, diamond play cutting. This artist sprays something, what the saying still ain't nothing. The videos that the plane keep me paid frontin'. The underground stays hunting, infrared rays something, blaze the haze. The J's with the ism can't erase the ways. On the other side of the scale, cause your ways away. I prevail, slicing with a razor's glaze. Turn me up, face to base, I'll erase the waste. Then crumble it up, fumble it up, jumble it up, mumble it up. I come to a run. 16 bars get you bent with the intent to invent a different lots of innocence through the main events. 2020 foresight as a gift of the present tense. My residence is multiplying the presidents. Without hesitance, quick to spit fire, swing and get cocked by a king who sits higher.
I'll let you jump inside my mind, you'll be surprised what you find. Over a decade of rhymes, a notepad and scribble lines. A few untold crimes, like flashing past my eyes. The sun setting, drinking till the sunrise. A few beatings as a kid, mischievous things I did, and some shit that I really hope God will forgive. The daydreams I've dreamed next to triple beams. The homies that I've seen get knocked out their rocker jeans, bleeding through the seams, but it seems that it's getting worse. Next thing you know, in your dreams you'll be getting hurt. If I stop thinking, then I'll stop writing. No paper, no ink equals me left mindless. My generation timeless, words can't describe it. Days of acting righteous are long gone behind us. On day and age we spitting better than we've ever been. Severing veterans out they lettermans with no medicine.
If I had to explain all the things on my mind, I would have to write 1,000,000 lines. So I took time to make these 16 shine, to make sure that you feel my rhyme. If I had to explain all the things on my mind, I would have to write 1,000,000 lines. So I took time to make these 16 shine, to make sure that you feel my rhyme.
My brain contains thunderous thoughts that fall like rain. In a place like Tetris blocks across terrain. Changed the game, cause it was strange till I came insane. Way too wild to tame. You know my style, you know my name. I rock a jam in Rotterdam and Cali the same. The picture gets clearer when your boy's in the frame. And if the shit's too low, process the game. Mike sets in to break a lot. Turn me up in the cut so the area can assimilate the block. Yeah, we keep it low and dirty, and I'm so sincere, so I know you heard me. I'm up real early, I ain't been asleep. These flows is no dose for those sleeping on the beat. I'm hustling rhymes, if your style's incomplete, won't say they free, but I got them cheap.
When I write, see blood start to spill from my pen, and my words are like knives when they drill in your skin. My rhymes speak the truth and what I feel from within. If you felt it one time, you about to feel it again. Pages I write from stages in my life. I mix it with emotion when I say it on the mic. And hands down, I stand out like flames in the night. Some say it ain't right, but I don't play without a fight. Word on the street, we're the hottest on the block. So now every time I'm seen, I gotta watch from being shot. Cause you don't know who to trust when you bust nowadays. Another sucker dead, LA Times front page. All because I got some play on the sound waves. Some money in my pocket and a whole pound of blaze. But shit happens when I spit these rhymes. I don't gotta say no more, let those 16 shine.
If I had to explain all the things on my mind, I would have to write 1,000,000 lines. So I took time to make these 16 shine, to make sure that you feel my rhyme. If I had to explain all the things on my mind, I would have to write 1,000,000 lines. So I took time to make these 16 shine, to make sure that you feel my rhyme.
pimped out the game.
Playboy done forgot the whole reason why you playing. Don't drink haterade, homie, I'm saying. If your Mac is little, fall back a little.
You're so pimped out the game.
Playboy done forgot the whole reason why you playing. Don't drink haterade, homie, I'm saying. If your Mac is little, fall back a little. Young cats, y'all pay y'all dues. Y'all so brand new, let me tell you the rules. The game might switch up, but I'll stay true. When most y'all rappers didn't know what to do, the name didn't switch up, it's still Zulu. Still Black Watchdog, what's the matter with you? Fall back, homie, better act like you know me. Marcy, Brooklyn, lives get tookin'. PXO, whoa, got y'all shookin'. Caught you from the blind side, son, you wasn't looking. Spit one hotter than that pot that you cookin'. Got more for the toe, so promoters start booking.
You're so pimped out the game.
Playboy done forgot the whole reason why you playing. Don't drink haterade, homie, I'm saying. If your Mac is little, fall back a little.
You're so pimped out the game.
Playboy done forgot the whole reason why you playing. Don't drink haterade, homie, I'm saying. If your Mac is little, fall back a little. Dude said he was dealing with thoroughbreds, had a stable of bitches that made him his riches on top of his game. Everybody know his name. He did a bid, he came home, streets ain't the same. Them young dudes getting it, making mad cake now. Old school said, aight, I'ma shut him down. This is my city, boy, this is my town. I'm a cold pimp player, I'ma show you how I get down. Court 2 coming right off the Greyhound, they new in town. Let me show you around. Old school got bagged up in the park. Them 2 chicks wasn't hoes, they undercover knocks. Game switch player told you from the start. Try to get in where you fit in and play your part. Might have a little heart, but you ain't that smart. Find another hustle, homie, it ain't that hard.
You're so pimped out the game.
Playboy done forgot the whole reason why you playing. Don't drink haterade, homie, I'm saying. If your Mac is little, fall back a little.
You're so pimped out the game.
Playboy done forgot the whole reason why you playing. Don't drink haterade, homie, I'm saying. If your Mac is little, fall back a little. I knew this one cat who tried to reclaim his Mac. The feds took the crib, the cars, and the crack. They caught dudes slipping while moving the sack. Money running this trap, they hit son with the wiretap. They knew exactly where the stash was at. Now it's too late for you, Jack. You should've fell back. Should've never told that chick where the crack was at. Where you get out of jail free card cash was that player. No, never trust no hoe. She ain't got no loyalty to nothing but dough. Game recognized game, you should already know. If not, bring the track back, memorize the flow. PXO, it's like I got the jump off now. Been had it, I just didn't understand my style. Still at it, I ain't going nowhere, pal. Can't hack and firewall, I protect my files. Oh.
We use this word every day in a derogatory way. Somehow it became cool. But don't be fooled, my nigga. You know this word is black, people use it every day. During slavery, the slave master used to say, whipping you on your back, yelling hey, holla hey. The officer is now the overseer modern day. They're watching you, clocking you on the block, ma. Ready to bag you like you bagging up that weight, ma. But wait, ma, pump your brakes when you're serving on that block, boy. Make no mistakes, you're a... Because you're ignorant, dog. You can't deal all your life. Better get your ass a job done. That's why nobody wanna hire you. Working this week, next week they wanna fire you. I know you're angry as hell. You're tired of getting locked up and can't make the bail, ma. Yeah, it's hard to survive, I don't doubt you. Don't forget though, they couldn't have made America without y'all. Remember when the N-word wasn't cool? Gotten beef with a white dude for calling me that in school. Of course they all pretended, of course I got suspended. My parents tore the school up, they wasn't trying to hear it. Daddy was a Black Panther, mama was a Black Panther. Power to the people, peace and unity is the answer. So when you use the N-word around me, just recognize I do the knowledge 720 degrees. It's 3/5 of a man, never to grow any bigger. If they like you, you're a Negro. If they hate you, you're a... If you're from Nam, you're a gook. If you're from Africa, you're a spook. If you're Hispanic, you're a spick. And if you're white, it's alright. Your boy is the exception to the rule. I ain't a fool. I invest my cake in real estate instead of ice and jewels. Pass it on to my seeds, the house, the cars, the pool. But no matter what you do, they still gonna call you a... you're a...
Yeah. Holly Rock.
The rubber's gonna work it out. The rubber's gonna work it out. The rubber's gonna work it out. Work it out. Work it out. The rubber's gonna work it out. We're still black and proud, we turn it out without a doubt. Zulu gon' move the crowd, still black and proud, we turn it out without a doubt. The rubber's gonna work it out. We're still black and proud, we turn it out without a doubt. Zulu gon' move the crowd. Naptron, PXO, it's a rap, let's go. Hey, rappers are pantomime and just moving their lips. Y'all suck in the real plus in the matrix. Go ahead and hate this, you can't recreate this. Phoenix, I lace the track like an envelope filled with anthrax. Tell your producer that I don't need his tracks. Tell him I said that he ain't all that. The brother's gonna work it out. Zulu Nation, troublemaker, turn the party out. Like the second time we came out, we already did it before. Y'all wasn't ready for the roar. Stop battling, we declare war. The game is lame and it's all because of y'all. Me and my brother flip it off the wall. We do it all for yo. It's big games, big ball. Brooklyn, LA, Las Vegas.
You can tell how I do this. There ain't really nothing to this. Blazing the mic, you know I do it for the movement. Some of y'all already fighting. The fact is, you ain't ready to clash it with the Titans. Team Elohim ain't a game like voodoo. War paint on my face, son is a Zulu. I'll run through your team with the lyrics I be spraying. You come to battle, less they won't beat on the land. My crew's deep and we throwing the blows. Wearing fatigues and hoodies, I think you should know. When it comes to spitting your homie, it's real talk. I do this for every hood in my peoples in New York. Every place that I know got a hood of its own. Everybody in the club wanna party till moan. The difference is you just stay in your zone. And every homie in my clique doing good by their own.
The rubber's gonna work it out. We're still black and proud, we turn it out without a doubt. Zulu gon' move the crowd, still black and proud, we turn it out without a doubt. The rubber's gonna work it out. We're still black and proud, we turn it out without a doubt. Zulu gon' move the crowd. Naptron, PXO, it's a rap, let's go. I'ma show you how to ride the beat, son. Heat up the track, make all the girls come. Sexy mommy, move your bum bum. Mossy Projects where I come from. Brooklyn, son, don't be acting dumb. Brooklyn, best side, we blasting guns. Fall back to the rear, you don't want none. When we get up out of here before you get done, it's gonna be a hit and run. I'ma make the hit run and cash my funds. We get paid to perform in places, collect the checks and get some big faces. Y'all still in the hood, catching cases. Time to get a life playboy, you know, wasted. Y'all fake, y'all counterfeit. When the brothers work it out, we make platinum hits.
Back to your roots, you ain't promised tomorrow. Let's take it to the motherland, live in the Congo. Cut out a whoa when we dancing for Chongo. Banging like the beats when we hitting them bongos. Eating pound again when I'm staying in Edo. Ain't nothing like the feeling when I'm chilling with peoples. Go to E5 when it's time for an Evo. A Buddha Boye, a Mochiche. To praise Arisha, we offer cola. OT salt and a purple pie. Always trying to keep a jargoon off of us. So we feed a shoe, man, you know it's a must. What you Olu Dumari, it's to him we praise. For giving all of us life in these beautiful days. I gotta thank Oshun for being our mother. For taking care of all of our sisters and brothers.
The rubber's gonna work it out. We're still black and proud, we turn it out without a doubt. Zulu gon' move the crowd, still black and proud, we turn it out without a doubt. The rubber's gonna work it out. We're still black and proud, we turn it out without a doubt. Zulu gon' move the crowd. Naptron, PXO, it's a rap, let's go.
Mama say, mama sa, mama makusa. 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 I love ya, Africa, Africa, Africa. Everybody put 'em up. I love ya, Africa, Africa, everybody put 'em up.
It's a full contact sport.
Yeah, PXO, Future's Flow. Zulu Nation, 13th chapter. Hip hop's a contact sport, man. About to touch y'all. I'm calling time out, cause y'all need to quit. You rappers make me sick, talking that bullshit. DJ, how you gon' spin that track when you know them niggas is whack and they can't rap? Get up out the game, man, this ain't your sport. You motherfuckers came hard, get up off the court. I don't buy your CDs, I don't download the MP3s. It's like an African rapping in Japanese. I'm from Zulu Nation, we started hip-hop. I'm from Black Watch, nigga, we protect hip-hop. The mainstream don't know me, and that's okay. I don't give a fuck about the major labels anyway. I don't brown those niggas to perform at your venue. Y'all afraid of me, dog, and that's the bitch within you. East Coast, stand up. West Coast, stand up. Got family in the dirty South, they always give me love. I don't gang bang, cause I'm a one-man gang. In fact, I'm lying, I do bang when I spit street slang. I'm from the block, that's where hip-hop started at. You ain't hip-hop, cause you gotta throw back and start a hat. I don't know who started that, that ain't that B-boy shit. That ain't gonna make your record a hit. Got DJ Lagger on the wheels of steel. Phoenix Orion serving niggas like meals on wheels. Or what the deal? Call the time out, cause y'all need to quit. You rappers make me sick, talking that bullshit. DJ, how you gon' spin that track when you know them niggas is whack and they can't rap? Get up out the game, man, this ain't your sport. You motherfuckers came hard, get up off the court. I don't buy your CDs, I don't download the MP3s. It's like an African rapping in Japanese. When you whack ass produce producers throw me a track, I throw it back like a Muslim throwing rocks in Iraq. If it wasn't for technology and burnt CDs, I wouldn't have to burn so many garbage MCs. Where the fuck you from anyway? You sound like me when I first started spitting back in 1983. You can call me an OG, nigga, that's alright. That's the same thing your girl was calling me last night. Your favorite rapper won't battle me, the nigga was soft. I hear your song on the radio, I'm turning it off. Spit a musical massacre and murder any song. Break off more rappers than lead press on. Phoenix Orion, nigga, if I'm not impressed, if you not scared to die while you wearing the vest, you ain't Biggie, you ain't Pac. Nigga, please stop, they don't respect you on the block, you might as well be a cop. Yeah, it's your boy, Phoenix Orion on the rap, Volsky on the track, Tyson on the boards, DJ Lagger with the ill Armenian swagger. I'm focused, man, I stay focused, man. I'm calling time out, cause y'all need to quit. You rappers make me sick, talking that bullshit. DJ, how you gonna spin that track when you know them niggas is whack and they can't rap? Get up out the game, man, this ain't your sport. You motherfuckers can't ball, get up off the court. I don't buy your CDs, I don't download the MP3s. It's like an African rapping in Japanese. I need to stop cloning my styles, a technical foul. I got a new one, nigga, the fuck you gonna do now? I put more people on than Con letters on. Fuck them rappers that you rapping with, I make better songs. I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. I don't fuck with them groupies trying to get my shine. DJ Lag, I ain't bragging, but these niggas are lagging. Bones the body bagger, let me start toe tagging. You rappers are off sides and way out of bounds. I'm way the fuck out of your league, dog. You need to bow down. Even them underground rappers, ain't nobody exempt, but especially the mainstream artists getting pimp. Hip hop is a contact sport. Niggas acting like my baby mama. Go ahead and take me to court. Phoenix Orion, I ain't hard to find. If you're looking, Project Blow, South Central, Marcy Projects out in Brooklyn. Calling time out, cause y'all need to quit. You rappers make me sick, talking that bullshit. DJ, how you gonna spin that track when you know them niggas is whack and they can't rap? Get up out the game, man, this ain't your sport. You motherfuckers can't ball, get up off the court. I don't buy your CDs, I don't download the MP3s. It's like an African rapping in Japanese.
You're checking out DJ Lagger, the Gold Rush album, production by Posiden. Check that shit out, motherfuckers. Necro, your fucking father. Smack the shit out of you. Bench you, bench you.
Both walking in opposite directions, cross paths in the intersection. Brown eyes, caramel complexion, body like Storm from the X-Men. Shorty was on the next shit, high maintenance party, Burberry Versace, smoking slim cigarettes, sipping on a latte. Yorkshire in a briefcase, Shorty was so caked up. Jessica Rabbit teacup, just lip gloss, no makeup. Spit game like I was Kobe Tuba, not old maneuver, but they do Shorty I'm feeling her, but I'm not trying to pursue ya. In the back of my mind I know that she's a diamond, she is the one, the reflection of my essence. She is the moon, I am the sun. She said her name was Erica, I can tell that she was corporate America, and I'm a thug, straight from out of the mud. Pardon me love, if it's possible, I would like to get with you. Later on we hit the town, sit down and have a drink with you. That's what I was thinking about, to the cabbie started peeping his horn loud. She walked past and I never opened my mouth. We both got to the sidewalk, stop and took a second. Lost my future wife in a big divide, right close in the intersection.
Lately I've been thinking about you. You've been on my mind, dreaming in my sleep and seeing
the sexist. I was in the Benz, she was in a Lexus. Sexy girl from Texas, named Alexis. That was on the license plate. Bumper sticker said don't hit. Pause at the stoplight. All you can do is wait right. Sit and contemplate right. So they was looking so tight. Roll down the window, baby, what you doing tonight? Girl, if your body was a prison, I'd be doing life. Future baby mama, yeah, you're my future wife. Girl, I know you feeling my right, I see it in your eyes. My mistake is not the low rider, but you're making me rise. The light go unchanged now, no time for wasting. But I'm stuck behind this bus, procrastination, hesitation.
I just need you to hold me tight, so I can feel alright. You see, me I'm more I adore. Time must never pass us no more. But at the blink of an eye, we can be gone, long gone.
The book of retribution, the last chapter, Rage, speaks of beyond us. Get ready for the upgrade. PXO and Paranorml. Hey yo, ask your favorite rapper who your favorite rapper is. If he don't say Phoenix Orion, he lying to you, kid. I put that on Monduke and everything I love. Say word to Yahweh and the heavens up above. Beyond us, we stronger, and the battle lasts longer. Take heed to the lessons that I'm blessing upon you. Supreme mathematics, chemic quantum physics. My team Elohim only came for a visit. Or is it an invasion to the Alien Nation? Dog, we serious like a satellite station, but I'm hurting on the game like virgin penetration. Or rappers don't wanna battle me cause they know what they facing. 500 cherubims, 600 seraphims, over 700 styles in my cerebellum. Mentally I shred them, physically decapitate, spiritually send you mortals to the pearly gates.
P-E-Y-O-N-D-E-R-S, yes.
Funky fresh for the world to see. Hip-hop in the 21st century, come on.
P-E-Y-O-N-D-E-R-S, yes.
Phoenix from the Orion Galaxy, Paranorml the sensei, serving MC.
Possessing the psionic ability in alien tongue delivery, mentally and physically future walking, shocking, future talking, night stalking, shooting out lasers while your gas still cocking. Back, no human is quick enough to counter react. This quantum leaping, light seeking, tweaking in time, any manipulating the future rendering of 12 dimensions far beyond your 3D, not reality, fantasy paradigm. Shall be upgraded and redesigned into a mind state with no timeline or limitations to our time travel. Living beneath the matter above the surface. The purpose of life is to spread light. Sometimes I travel blind using a third eyesight to circumnavigate the multiversal galaxy. Scanning for worthy subjects, but nobody is as fast as we are.
P-E-Y-O-N-D-E-R-S, yes.
Funky fresh for the world to see. Hip-hop in the 21st century, come on.
P-E-Y-O-N-D-E-R-S, yes.
Phoenix from the Orion Galaxy, Paranorml the sensei, serving